Have you ever dreamed of renovating your kitchen and been paralysed by the barrage of trends and options that are available to you? Well, I have someone here that can give you the edge. Tonight I have with us Jen Bishop from Interiors Addict. Welcome, Jen.
Thank you for having me.
And we're here to talk about the kitchen trends for 2018. So you're very welcome. Tell us what you've got, Jen.
Oh, well.
Where to start?
That's it. I think in terms of something that's a little bit different that I think will be more popular this year, we're starting to see some interesting colours in cabinetry. So colour full stop. It's quite a
Colour in general?
Thing. Yeah. So, I mean, obviously there's always going to be people that love the white gloss kitchen.
Yeah.
Hugely popular.
Do we have to put that word in?
But it's the best selling.
I know.
Then say it was the nicest. But
okay, all right.
Yeah.
So the best selling is white gloss.
We are starting to see different colours of cabinet fronts, and that's not just that. The
are we talking yellows and purples and oranges?
No, we're talking navy, which you know I love. And recently I've seen colours like a kind of champagne gold.
Okay.
Which sound a bit full on and a bit scary, but it actually can work really well if you perhaps just have one lot of overhead cupboards and then
or an underbench run on your island.
Exactly. And or just on the island. I think that's a really nice way to incorporate some of those things, and they can look amazing.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It just takes a bit of bravery, I think.
All right, so colour is number one, colour in cabinetry.
Colour, yeah, in terms of something that's quite new. And then I think everything else that I think is going to be big this year is something that's probably started last year and has shown it's going to last.
Stay around.
Yeah, so that would be things like the bench tops, the thinner the better, basically.
Hallelujah. It's music to my ears.
No
Streamlines,
more 400,
simples,
600,
no more
that.
600 wedges.
No. That doesn't,
Lovely.
Bigger is not better.
Did you hear that? Bigger is not better.
Yeah, so you're very thin bench tops.
Even with a beautiful shadow line underneath the bench top. Just gorgeous. With a contrasting laminate colour behind it on the shadow line. That can just completely set off. And it shows that attention to detail, doesn't it?
Exactly.
That real bespoke, beautiful look.
And it's very small but really effective.
See, big is not better, small and effective. I think everyone's getting the hint here.
And I think another thing that's probably come over from last year is the statement tap.
Yes.
So, you know, taps are not an afterthought anymore. Taps are like an amazing, beautiful piece of jewellery in your kitchen.
Talking about jewellery, I've been in Jen's new kitchen and I'm going to extend the jewellery conversation from taps to sinks.
Yes, I like the bling in my kitchen, but
she has a gold sink.
A gold sink, gold taps, gold handles, which sounds really over the top, but in the context of everything else being very simple, I think works.
We'll show you a photo. We'll show you a photo. It actually really works.
Yeah. So, but you do have to be careful not to sort of go over the top. But you know, having one amazing and possibly quite expensive tap in an otherwise quite budget kitchen can make, you know, really take it to the next level.
So that's that whole hero styling, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So high-low, using a hero piece to really elevate the space and then backfilling. It's kind of like I talk about it in gardening all the time, about choosing like a beautiful feature, reasonably mature tree and backplanting with seedlings if you need to. You know, and you can still get such an amazing effect.
Yep.
So we have tapware, we have colour and thin bench tops. They be your top three in kitchens?
I think so, yeah.
I love it. So there you go. If you're renovating your kitchen, you have some top trends to investigate and work out how they fit with you, how they fit with your space, and if and when you want to incorporate any of them in. So thanks so much, Jen. We'll see you next time.